Welcome back. I want to go ahead and revisit a previous review that I did on the Akasu EK7000 camera that I purchased for around 50 bucks on Amazon. And let me just say I'm kind of disappointed. I didn't purchase this all that long ago, and I've been using it as a dash cam in my car. And something happened the other day, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the camera, and I'm going to let you guys see what's going on. And I don't know what caused this, but you can probably see now what's going on. And I'm just going to hold it up right next to the other camera so you can. I don't know if you can see me at all or not, whatnot, but something's going on there. Now, I did look into the lens itself, and it doesn't look like there's any crack or break in the lens. I don't know if you guys can see it with the lighting in here, but there is no crack or break in the lens. So I don't know exactly what's going on. If any one of you know what's going on, go ahead and. It's almost like there's a filter in there that is broken, or like the lens is broken. So I don't know. If anyone can help me out on that, I would appreciate it. But yeah, I would definitely steer away from this little action camera. Thanks for watching.